Hi, my name is Michael and I'm the Principal Chiropractor here at Chichester Chiropractic Health Centre. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to use the thoracic or upper back Denneroll. The Denneroll is a tool designed to help to retrain the curve in the upper back, help to decompress the joints, help to improve the balance of the rib cage, and overall get you feeling better while complementing what we're trying to achieve with our adjustments. Now, when using this tool, I ask you start at a fairly small period of time, about 20 to 30 seconds twice a day, and over a period of time increasing this by 30 seconds every day to take up to between 5 and 10 minutes, always working within your comfort zone. Now, obviously, if your chiropractor has recommended anything different to that, please follow their advice very closely. Now, when you get this tool, you will get a leaflet that tells you and walks you through how to use it. This video is a supplement to that, so you can really see how you are meant to use it going forwards. If you have any questions, please ask your chiropractor at your next appointment. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use a thoracic Denneroll. This is the Denneroll for the upper or middle back. So you can lay it onto the floor. You're going to position it so it's sitting either in the upper, the middle, or the lower part of your thoracic spine, and that's roughly from your rib cage up to the top of your shoulders, and your chiropractor will tell you where specifically it should be for you. So you can lay with it centered to the spine, bring the hands across the shoulders at first, and just let yourself gently drop back over it. Now, once you're happy that you're in the right position and it feels good for you, what you're then going to do, if comfortable for your shoulders, is let the hands just gently drop back. This helps to increase that extension through the upper back and just allows you to get a little bit more from the stretch. For some, that might be uncomfortable. It may not feel right, so just starting with those hands either rested onto the shoulders or rested down by the sides might be the right thing for you. The only way you're going to find out is just experimenting and feeling what feels good for your body. So just to confirm, you're going to find the area of your spine where you've been recommended. The chiropractor will show you. Now again, while you're laying on here, you might be laying there thinking, actually where I'm laying feels pretty good, but just above there or just below that area feels like it needs also a little bit of encouragement. So you can shuffle down just a touch, and again, let yourself drop back from that position. Again, hands either down by your sides, onto the chest, or just gently up above your head, and just let yourself relax in that position. Now here you could be for anything from 20 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever feels good for you. Now when you do increase that time, as I said before, do it very slowly. Make sure that it feels good, not just during, but also afterwards as well. Now this is a very good tool, very useful tool for helping to retrain those joints and that curvature into your upper back. First few times of using it, it can feel quite uncomfortable to lay on. That's not uncommon at all. It can also feel a little bit uncomfortable afterwards, almost like you've done a workout you haven't done for a while, but your body does adapt to that. If any of that discomfort does continue with use, just kind of hold off, let your chiropractor know, and they might recommend a slightly different way of doing it than I've explained in this video. Otherwise, enjoy what is one of the best tools for helping to retrain that curve and decompress into the upper back while complementing what we're trying to achieve with our adjustments.